Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial, we will learn about Polygon command. So let's start with this tutorial. Now here you can see, there are basically three methods of drawing a polygon. First is Inscribe, second is Circumscribe, and third one is Edge method. In the Inscribe method, when you give a radius, that radius will be the distance from the center of the polygon to the corner of the polygon. Now let's see how to draw a polygon using Inscribe method. Now suppose if there is a circle here of 10 mm 10 mm radius, and you want to draw a polygon within this circle, then take command from here, or you can give a shortcut key. Shortcut key for polygon is POL. I'll give shortcut key POL, enter. Now here you have to enter number of sides. I want 5 sides, so I'll give number 5, enter. Now you choose the center of the polygon. I'll choose the center of this circle. Click on the center. Now here you will get this option inscribe in circle and circumscribe about circle. You choose inscribe in circle, and now you either click on the quadrant point or you can give a radius. Radius will be same as the radius of this circle. If you don't know the radius of the circle, you can click on the quadrant point. Now this is called Inscribe method. Now we'll see what is Circumscribe method. We'll take this same circle here. Now I want a polygon around this circle. So I'll take the command POL, enter. Now I'll enter the side. I'll enter 5. Then choose this center of the polygon. Then here you choose circumscribe about circle. Now you see here. Now here you have to specify radius of circle. So I'll specify the radius as 10, enter. If you don't know the radius of the circle, then you can click on the quadrant point of the circle. This is called circumscribe method. Now next is edge method. In edge method, you should know the length of the sides of the polygon. Suppose if I want to draw a polygon of side 10 mm, then I'll give this command POL, enter. Choose the sides. I want 5, enter. Now here there is an option edge. Click on it. Now specify first endpoint of edge. I'll click it here. Now specify endpoint of the edge. Here I'll give a distance of 10 mm. Now let's check this length. You see this length of this side is 10 mm. Similarly, you can draw a polygon with as many sides you want. Suppose if I want to draw a polygon with 8 sides, then give command POL, enter. Here you specify number of sides as 8, enter. Click here, choose inscribe, then give a distance. I'll give 10, enter. You can even draw a triangle or a rectangle by using polygon method. Give command, and at the time of entering the number, if you want to draw a triangle, give 3 sides. Say enter, click point here, say inscribe or circumscribe as you want, and give the distance. Same like for rectangle, give polygon, enter. Give sides as 4, enter. click here, inscribe. Now give the distance. I would like to suggest that you should always remember the shortcut keys of this command. And whenever you are working in AutoCAD, you should use the shortcut keys because it will help you to increase your speed and work smoothly. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to know more about AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.